you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will help your skin look tighter, spotless, firmer, and more glowing. Okay, so this remedy is actually for everybody. Even if you do not have a saggy skin, you have to use this to prevent it, okay? Because prevention is therefore better than cure. Okay, so it's better you prevent it than waiting for your skin to develop all of those stuff. Okay, so let me walk you through the video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video and thumbs up, and let's go. Alright guys, so our first ingredient is going to be Fuller's Earth Clay Powder, and this is how it usually look like. Now you can order this or get this online, okay, and it's actually very easy when you buy it online. Fuller's Earth is an oil absorbing property. It is great in leaving your skin fair and glowing. It helps to tighten acne and pimples. It reduces scars. It helps also to improve skin elasticity, and it also removes dead skin cells. It is a great remedy that treats oily and greasy skin. Then I'm going to also be making use of yogurt. Now yogurt is a great remedy that fights acne. It fades up blemishes and pigmentation. It helps to reduce dark circles. It treats skin infection, and it's a great remedy that works wonders in tightening up the large and open pores. Then we're going to be making use of glycerin as well as rose water. Now glycerin is a natural remedy that helps to reduce the redness of an irritated skin. It helps to fight wrinkles, while rose water helps to calm the skin, and it also helps to lighten up the skin, removing dead skin cells and large open pores. Aloe vera is a great remedy that helps to treat soreness on the skin. It slows the signs of aging, preventing dark spots, lightening and exfoliating the skin, and it also helps to relieve skin irritation and soft sunburn. Alright guys, so this we're going to be scooping in 2 tablespoons of yogurt. We're not going to be needing too much of the Fuller's Earth, so we're going to be taking in 1 teaspoon. We're also going to be dropping the rose water and glycerin in this. Okay guys, so instead of using aloe vera, you can either choose from this both remedy, aloe vera or rice powder or blended boiled rice. So I'm going to be using the blended boiled rice. So I'm going to be scooping in 1 tablespoon of that. So either of this guys, you can actually use them. Now if you have fresh aloe vera, you can also use the fresh aloe vera. And now we'll have to mix the ingredients all together. And this is properly blended, okay, and this is going to help to tighten up the pores. This is how it looks like, and it smells really nice too. Okay guys, so here it is, and this smells nice, really nice. Okay, so you have to grab this, and this will help you, give you that younger skin that you desire. Okay, spread this all over your face evenly, gently and smoothly. Alright guys, so if you actually do not have wrinkles, okay, you would have to use this, because of course prevention is better off than cure. Even if you don't have wrinkles on your face, you have to use this, because prevention is really better than when it comes out and all of your face is filled with a lot of wrinkles and all of that. Okay, it's not gonna be nice, so you have to use it. For me right now, I don't have wrinkles, but of course I kind of have some fine lines here, so I'm actually getting rid of that. Sometimes stress causes fine lines, sometimes stress causes wrinkles. Okay, it might not be age. Nowadays we eat a lot of stuff that contains a lot of chemicals, so you really need to take care of it. Okay, so after you spread it all through your face like this, and then you would have to leave it on your face for it to dry. Now the reason you have to leave it for it to dry is because you know that you want your face to get tighter. Now before you leave it, you have to apply it like up to 2 layers, okay, so that when it dries you really feel the impact of the dryness. Okay, so as I've applied much on my face, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hold on for like 10-15 minutes and let it dry. Okay, when it dries, then you can wash it off with a lukewarm water or with cool water. Okay, that will actually help to, remove those blemishes on your face, those fine lines, those wrinkles. All right, and then also you would also have to use your oil after you apply this on your face. You have to use either almond oil, coconut oil, or you use olive oil. Okay, but of course you don't have to use any oil that you know is darkening or is going to darken your skin. Okay, all right, so after that, then I'll go wash it off, and you have to repeat this treatment for like 4 times in a week, and your face is going to be wrinkle and fine lines free. It's going to get tighter, because as it is right now, when it dries, it's going to tighten up my face really well. Okay, and you'll be loving it. Okay, definitely this works, but you have to be consistent, because even if you're using those chemical filled cream, you would have to use it and use it and use it, right? So you would have to store it and use it again. You may make it and use it again, and the result is wonderful. So that's it guys. For you to get a spotless and glowing beautiful skin and a tighter and firmer skin, you should try using this remedy. And also try to remember that these things are actually natural. Consistency is part of the key to this remedy working really well on your skin, and it's also going to be very helpful. You are going to be loving it, and it smells good too. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless, and bye guys.